Okay, so Bill, here's the latest thing on my bike. I came up with a cruise control. And the way this cruise control works is I've got a piece of leather that I bought at Michael's, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Put the smooth side down. I've got Gorilla tape under this end because it doesn't stick to the leather. And I had to use electrical tape, and you stretch it so that it puts pressure on it, and together it binds this leather to the throttle, which is over here to the left if you remember riding it, and you have to hold your hand over here to turn the throttle. And then it's really sometimes difficult to hold a speed, so this is a cruise control. So you can set your speed, you can come out, you can grip it and hold it, and it keeps it from turning, and you can hold a constant speed. So there it is, my little cruise control using this leather. And the trick is having it just the right size here so that it doesn't restrict movement out here. And then you can, when it's turned, you can grab it. You can even move your hands while you grab it, get better grip, and then just leave go like you always do to pull the brakes. So there it is. That's my cruise control. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.